Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use sweep command in AutoCAD. So these are the two shapes which we created by the sweep command. First one is the circular, the second one is the rectangular. So let's start. So here we have to click on southwest isometric, and to use a sweep command we have to create a profile. So I will create a profile here. So I will create a profile like this, and you guys can create the profile as per your drawing or requirement. This radius 250. To use a sweep command, these profiles should be a single line or polyline. So we have to join these lines and arc. For that, click on modify and click here on join and select all, enter, and now it is a single entity. So we use a path along this side. Let's say I want to create a circle here. Now this circle is a horizontal or X side, so it will not sweep around the path. So we need a circle this side. How we can do that? Simply click on UCS and make the Z on the same side in which you want to create a circle. Click on circle here, and here you can see that because my Z is on that side, so my circle will be on that side. So I will create a circle here. So it is too small. You click on match property and change the radius to 2. Use a sweep command. Click on solid. Here click on sweep. Select the circle. Before that I will copy this one, for we will use rectangular shape. Click on sweep, select the circle, enter, and select the path. Now it is swept. Click on home, click here on conceptual. You can see that the sweep command is used for this circular. Let's say now you want to create another shape. Let's say you want to create this shape, or maybe you can create a duct like shape here. So I will pick from the midpoint here. Same way here. Click on sweep, select the object, enter, and select the path. So this is the way to use a sweep command. So make sure that your length and width should not exceed the radius of this circle. So in this way we can use a sweep command in AutoCAD. You can sweep any shape or anything as per your own requirement. Let's say here I will again use fillet, radius here. Again we have to make a single line. Click on modify and select join. Now it is a single entity here. Now if you want to create from the bottom here, so here my Z should be on the top. Now the Z is on this side. I will move here. Now simply click on Z. This is up. Click on circle. Select here. Again solid. sweep, select the circle, enter the path here, and so this is the way you guys can change the UCS to generate any shape with the help of sweep command. Hope you understood how we can use a sweep command in AutoCAD.